Good morning. This is our third and final video for today. So, as I said before in all the other videos, I'm sorry you're having a hard time and class is crazy, but hey, we rise to the occasion, right? This just gives us the opportunity to show how awesome we are as students. Inquiry class is pretty set up because we were supposed to just make our Flipgrid videos. So you should have everything done except the actual making of the video. Let's jump into exactly how to do that really fast. If you go to Google Classroom period 4 and you go to the classwork section, I posted this morning parent conference Flipgrid. I wanted to make sure I got in touch with everyone. Oh, someone's already turned it in. So you're going to click on here. You're going to make your video. You're not going to be able to see your video because it's hidden, because I'm not sharing your videos with each other. I'm sending the videos to parents. Parents, if you're watching this video with your child, please do not expect the video today. Hopefully, I will have the videos to you by the end of the weekend. That's my goal. Just to remind you, we took notes on this on Monday, but just in case you missed it, your video needs 5 parts. You have to introduce yourself with your first and last name. You need to show or tell your parents on Student View exactly what your current grades are. If you have anything lower than an A, you need to explain to your parents using specific language, not this is hard, why. Why you got a 0 on this assignment. Why did you get a 0 on that assignment? Did you turn it in? Did you go to tutoring? Did you do everything you could possibly do and still got a 0? There has to be a reason why other than it is hard. So be careful with that, because remember, this is a grade. And we went over in class exactly how. And if you have an A, you need to be able to explain why. You do not just fall backwards onto an A. You don't accidentally get an A. Teachers don't give you A's. You earn those A's. And you need to be able to identify, I did this and this and this, and that's why I have an A. Because if you can explain why you have an A and why you don't have an A, you can explain exactly how to get to the A. That's our goal with this. Then you're going to end with 2 steps, 2 actual things you're going to do to raise your grade to up to an A or to keep it at an A. At this point, we have not done any assessments that would explain away anything lower than an A. So basically, if you've done your work, you have an A right now. Everyone should have an A. That'll change soon because we're about to hit the assessments. We're writing essays in ELA, and then we're going to be taking a test in humanities based on our grades notes in the next probably 2 weeks. So those grades will change, but for right now, everyone should have an A in humanities, everyone should have an A in inquiry, and everyone should have an A in English. And you should have an A if you do your work in your foreign language, if you do your gratitude journal in PE, if you do your chapters and questions in science, and then if you do your participation doc in math, because I don't think you've taken any major assessments there either. So we've gone over this in inquiry class every day. This is part of our goal, and so let's get on it. I look forward to seeing your videos. Just as I said in all my videos so far today, I will still be in class 4th period. Come on by if you can. If you can't, don't feel bad. I'm doing this to try to help you. That's 4th period. I will also have tutoring from 2:30 to 4:30. If you do not have access to the internet, and you do, except for like maybe you're watching this on your mom's phone, or if you don't, feel free to give me a call. We can talk and I can help you out, okay? I hope you have a great day. I will see you hopefully 4th period, but if I don't see you 4th period, I will see you on Friday, okay? Much love. Bye, guys.